Hi DIYers, this is Bryce from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to be learning about the 5816 door and window contact and what battery it uses. The battery that the 5816 uses is a CR123A lithium battery, which is a small, compact, basically AA looking battery, but it's what's used on the 5816, which is one of the most common door and window contacts on the market. To insert this battery, all you have to do is pop the prong open, insert the battery like any normal AA battery, and once you insert it, your door and window contact is now live. Also remember when programming your 5816 to make sure that it is on loop 2 and not loop 1 like most other 5800 devices. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified anytime that we post a video, hit the notification button. If you need any help or support, you can contact us at support@alarmgrid.com, or you can give us a call at 888-818-7728. Bye, DIYers.